कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka BJP Meghalaya State Union Kam Shim Rai Satya Ban Sai Kyrtong Hadu Banta Nak Banta Ban Punya Khon Yak Eleksyon Lok Sabha Kaban Salong Shen Na Shillong Ban Natura Uba ALHEC Ubulong Noyalam Joka BJP Hajingkran Bigilap Thai Kubor Ulay Thu Bawat Laka Parti Kampat Penbena Yak Kyrteng Jongki Kyrtong Henry Kalanang Pen Kre Syat Nak Banta Eleksyon Kiban Salong Nang Ni Syakmat.
The preparation has been going on, not only now. Every every mandal we call a constituency, they have their own unit. They're all are on a job for preparations of carrying out for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Our party has not decided any candidate, whether it is from one Shillong parliamentary constituency or the second Tura parliamentary constituency. This decision of the candidate has not been decided. Why election? I don't see that they have the common candidate. Can you give me some lights that all the party have set up the common candidate?
MDA candidates.
Where's MDA? BJP contested their own candidate. UDP contested their own candidate. Everybody is contested their own candidate. Where is the common candidate? I have not seen. Kila ongi nga banyana 2019 Lok Sabha. Ong may pangay may kamtre banyana. 2014 nugi ongi nga banyana election, but some many reasons that I not be able to contest for the last two elections.